Great job on making it this far. Now that we've understood the basics of business development, let's delve into some strategies and techniques that can help you grow your IT recruitment business. 1. Networking. Networking is a powerful tool for business development. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and connect with industry leaders on platforms like LinkedIn. This can help you identify potential clients, learn about industry trends, and even gain valuable insights. 2. Partnerships. Consider forming partnerships with other businesses or agencies. This could be a mutually beneficial arrangement where you refer clients to each other, collaborate on projects, or even offer combined services. It's like joining forces to achieve common goals. 3. Client satisfaction. A satisfied client is your best marketing tool. Provide excellent service, exceed client expectations, and maintain a positive relationship. Happy clients are likely to refer you to their network, leading to new business opportunities. 4. Content marketing. Use content marketing to showcase your expertise and attract potential clients. This could be blog posts, white papers, webinars, or even social media posts. The goal is to provide valuable content that positions your agency as a trusted expert in IT recruitment. 5. Social proof. Social proof, like testimonials, case studies, and reviews, can enhance your agency's credibility and attract potential clients. Encourage your clients to provide testimonials, share success stories, and showcase your achievements. 6. Continuous learning. The IT industry is always evolving, and so should your agency. Stay updated with the latest trends, learn new skills, and adapt your services to meet the changing needs of your clients. Remember, business development is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and a strategic approach. With the right strategies and techniques, you can grow your IT recruitment business and achieve long-term success. So, are you ready to take your business to the next level? Let's do it.